What we have right here is some incredibly high-end Wagyu, and I've left it in the packaging because I don't want any of that beautifully marbled fat to start melting in my hands. I'm of the firm belief that with Wagyu this quality, you don't want anything other than a little bit of salt. Once we've really generously rolled this whole thing in salt, we're ready to give it a nice sear. I'll start by rendering off my fat cap, placing this down and holding it so that all of that fat gets nice and crispy on the top. Once that fat cap is melted enough to give us plenty of Wagyu fat at the bottom of my pan, I'll roll this over and get a crust. And now it's time to rest. I'm just gonna slowly put each one over the top of the meat, carefully curling it over and laying it down to let it form itself onto the beef. It's amazing how quickly the gold just forms onto the meat the way that it does. And I have to admit, this requires a very, very delicate touch. But I'm trying my best here, and it's actually looking pretty amazing. I have to say, I'm quite happy with how this steak turned out. But in the meantime, let's cut the rest of this steak.